What up guys, I'm here today. I'm going to be showing you another unboxing episode. This time I'm going to be showing you a pair of Yeezys that I ordered on the Adidas app about a week and a half ago. They're the 350 V2 linens. So I'm super excited about this. Took a really long time to get this. FedEx lost my package for a bit. I was supposed to get this last week, and then I was just worried that I wasn't going to get these pair at all, and honestly I really wanted these pairs. So I guess let's just get to it and see what's good. Whew. This I am super excited about. Like Christmas morning in April. Wow. They're actually better in person, honestly. Even though the images, sometimes the images are different when you get the shoes in color. Sometimes they're better for people, sometimes they're worse. But honestly, this was the same. So I was expecting the exact same colorways that I was seeing via social medias and everything when they were about to drop, when they dropped this. Here's a closer look. You got that perfect tannish santan color with that tint of blue. I guess the only thing that I would really I wouldn't be negative about it, but the only thing that I personally would change is I wish the laces were the same color as the insole right there. I think that's perfect. So maybe I can try to find some laces with that same type of color. But it's not really a big deal. Honestly, I love this colorway. I really do. It's probably my favorite colorway thus far, and in a long time that they dropped, that I really was, as soon as I saw it, I was just like, I gotta have a personal pair, hands down, no questions asked. This is a perfect summertime color. I love the tone, love everything about it. It will go with any outfit, and right now it's really more light colors that's in right now, natural nudes. So yeah, this is a perfect summertime tone. I feel like you can wear these with any type of outfit. Definitely, if you have a chance, snag a pair of these 350 V2 linens. They are the perfect colorway, especially for the summer. You will not be disappointed with them. So I'm definitely giving it a 2 thumbs up, and I'm definitely recommending it. If you have a chance to get your hands on a pair, 100% get it. You will not be disappointed. Thanks guys. Peace. Till next time on whatever I want to do. Okay.